Hello everyone, my name is H.M. Farhad. I am Bangladeshi, 30 years old. I introduce myself. I stay on my house roof. I want to show you my college where I finished my higher secondary. This is my college, Polash Shilpanchal College. In 2009, I have finished here higher secondary certificate. After that, I have also completed my bachelor degree in 2015 on marketing management. After complete my bachelor degree, I worked in a private organization which name is Maiwar Industrial Electronics as a HR and admin officer. After that, I went Malaysia. I worked there in Amin International Group SD and BSD as a safety officer. I worked there almost 4 years. I have built an excellent career there. I move with many people, many kinds of people, like American and British, and also many kinds of people. So I went there almost 4 years and passed an excellent time. Now I want to say about my proficiency in English. In our country perspective, English is a compulsory subject from 1 class to until 12th class. And after that 4 years, I complete bachelor degree, which is fully English medium. So my English proficiency is very good. Now I'm fasting, okay? However, I know English, not only English, I know also more language. I know Hindi language, which is Indian language called. I know also Pakistani language. I know the Malaysian language. I can write, I can speak, I can listening fully this language, Malaysian. Not only Malaysian language, but also I know Chinese language, but it's very primary level. However, after 2024 January, I took decision I'll come back to my country. Then in 2020 January, 5th January, I come back my country and I took decision I will complete my master's degree. Then I took decision I am searching which university is perfect for me. Then I search and I got the University of Siena name. It's a nice university, it's a renowned university in the Italy and also in the world. My many friends who study in Italy, University of Siena, they told me it's a very good university. Education system is very good, well teacher, well faculty members, everything is very nice environment. So far, I took decision I will finish my masters in University of Siena. Right now, I am going to apply. Today's 27th April. I already applied, and now I don't know I'll get admission or not. So that's all about myself. And I want to say something about my family. Without I have 2 more brothers. They are lived in Singapore. My father, he was an government officer. Now he is retired almost 7 years. My father is very good man. He is very honest. He always told us and also told me that always speak the truth. You be honest, one day you will be success. And that's for reason I will try to keep myself honest always. So thank you everyone. Best of luck for everyone and also best of luck for me. Thank you.